Okay, guys, here goes the table. Rice and peas, potato salad, festival, chicken, ham, Akin saltfish, sorrel without rum, sorrel with rum.
Boston Cleveland.
Yes, and the sauce is coming up now.
C'était la première période de James.
As early as the morning, look at you all.
Mamie, pourquoi le canard est dans ça?
C'est Sarah qui a été chercher.
Kenzo, regarde.
Pour mettre à la salade.
Ah, c'est qui? Kenzo. C'est qui? C'est Kenzo.
Ah oui.
Dis bonjour, mamie. Dis bonjour. Who's that? C'est qui? C'est qui? C'est Kenzo. Tyler, Ty, say hello to the faves. Look up. Right. Look at Sarah. Sarah taking over grandma entire house. Oh. Hi faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Ooh, the lighting's hitting in mama's house. Yes, honey child. It's Christmas Eve, it's Christmas Eve, it's Christmas Eve, and I'm gonna cook. Today we're going to do Jamaican dinner, so I'm gonna cook early and get it out of the way so we can go on the road to do a few things and come back. And then the mom friend is going to arrive later and we're gonna have dinner. So let's get this kitchen turned up in here, shall we? Let's go. Okay, on my menu today we're having ham, curry goats, jerk chicken, potato salad, rice and peas, ackee and saltfish, sorrel. You hear that? Yes, girl. It's going down. Alright, let's go.
I'll be 5 in the kitchen.
You need my assistance.
Voilà. Jerk chicken. You guys, look who I have in my kitchen as assistant. Baby, helping me today.
Oh,
What we have going on right now?
Ackee here about to cook.
Oh, in the pot.
We have some
Come, carry camera.
got here. Let me show you that will be better. Guys, we have some ackee about to cook here. Whoops. We have some guts about to cook here. We have saltfish that's already cooked and now is on the frying pan with the seasoning. We have here in the pressure cooker is the piece for the rice and peas, and here we have some carrots, potatoes,
Potato salad and egg.
for the potato salad. So this
Now
is
the
what's
ackee
going on.
going in.
And we have, you can see that we have some jerk chicken in the oven.
C'est quoi ça? Oui, c'est quoi? C'est quoi, maman? Tu connais ou pas?
Ben.
Non.
C'est quoi ça?
Non, il faut que je.
Le blanc.
Le blanc, c'est le poisson. Ça.
Oui. Et le jaune, c'est quoi?
Je sais pas si je vois.
Non, mais tu peux pas savoir.
Non, je sais pas. C'est quoi?
Ça s'appelle ackee.
Spécialité à Jamaïque.
Ackee, c'est la fleur, ça c'est le plat principal de Jamaïque. Le ackee et saltfish. Le ackee, ça pousse dans les arbres.
You guys, I'm so busy I haven't even shown you guys the process of everything that I've done so far. I'm at the ham right now. I'm skinning this ham so that I can decorate it.
après, c'est pas. Mais nous c'était même pas pour ça, mais après, oui, des fois ça
J'ai
donne.
vu en 2 pommes de terre. S'il te plaît. Oui. Ah. Voilà,
Nous c'était
merci.
pas pour. Mais c'est ça.
Hi, look who was joined us.
Et ça,
Look who has joined us. Look. Say morning to the babe. Say hi. Hi.
C'est un accent plus partageur que d'autres. Mais
coucou. Coucou. Look.
C'est un verre vide, hein, il faut les remplir.
Go to papa. Coucou. Take her.
Coucou.
Il aime ce petit bonhomme. Hein.
Des fois, tu vas leur
Il aime ce
acheter.
petit bonhomme.
Maman,
qui lui
ouvre
bouffe quoi?
le chapeau.
Des fois.
Dangereux. Ouvre qui ça?
Oui. Oh my god, you guys. I couldn't get to show you guys all the things that I made, but I'll show you guys as soon as I get back. We're doing a quick road run, going to see babe grandma, which is the kids' great grandma. Bonjour. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll be back to finish cooking and in time for dinner. So I didn't finish the curry goat, but I'll finish it when I get back. So that's what we're about to do right now, honey child. So this is the feed for today, and that's the pretty girl. Hey pretty girl. Hey pretty girl. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
And the truck is just on the right.
You guys, this is babe home. This is babe hometown. This is where babe grew up.
So
Garrison growing up. Joke.
So this is a rugby field, stadium.
Rugby field.
The track is just behind, so we used to train all along.
Okay.
So just behind the white things, all along there's a way for warming.
Okay.
That's where I used to warm.
And where is the school?
You see the little castle things on the right, you will see a school.
Okay. So this castle thing that we're looking at on the right. Get a better view from here.
Yeah, the right.
Oh, the school is behind it.
Yeah.
Okay, College Jules Verne. Okay, that white wall is the school baby used to attend. College meaning high school?
Middle school. High school is lycée in French.
Okay.
College is middle school.
Middle
so
school. We
like
don't have middle school in Jamaica, so.
6th grade to 9th grade.
Okay.
So we have
They used to go here 6th grade to 9th grade.
Yeah, so they separate.
Okay.
So the 6th grade not with the 12th grade. There's too much difference. So they separate 6, 9 to one place.
Okay.
And 10, 11, 12 in the other place.
Okay, cool. And we don't have 12th grade in most schools back home. Well, the high ones have, but the others
to
don't.
12 is a must.
It's a must. Mandatory. Okay, no, we don't.
We start at 1 to 12.
Okay.
So Stella is at 1.
Uh-huh. Alright, you guys. So you got a little taste of where babe grew up.
Here's a tennis. I played 2 years tennis.
Yeah? Where?
When
Down there?
I was doing school and tennis here, yeah. A lot of
And the
tennis.
school that they've been seeing that went viral with the parents who throw the
this
kids over
is-
the gate.
This is my elementary school.
So if you guys see that on the news where parents bring the kids late and throw them over the gate, it was babe
That was
elementary
my
school.
elementary
Hilarious. So funny. So we are in a city. This lipstick look good on me. We're in a city called Avignon.
Actually, we are now in Le Ponte. That's
Okay.
just
À côté
touching
Avignon.
It's a little city touching Avignon. It's like Avignon area, but it's Le Ponte.
Okay.
That's where I learned how to drive. That's here in these streets that I got my license.
Ah, cool. Alright, you guys, we're gonna see the kids. Great grandma, hot girl grandma. And she have many grandkids
Maman.
and many great grand. Yes, Ty?
Tant qu'il travaille bien à l'école.
Ah ouais, c'est super, hein? It's babe great grandma. No, Tyler great grandma. Babe grandma.
Ah, tu vas perdre là, je sens que tu vas perdre. Oula, c'est bien ça.
Just sit down and wanna sleep. You gonna sleep? You gonna sleep? Elle a fait la tête. Parce qu'elle voit ici. Sleep. Gonna sleep? Sleep?
Oh, dis donc, t'as fait un sacré score là. C'est bien ce jeu, hein.
Comment ce qu'on appelle ouvert aux idées nouvelles. Parce que les questions mènent à la connaissance. Et que la connaissance mène au pouvoir.
Allez, Tyler. Tu es excité là.
Ouais.
Justement qu'on intervient.
Il va perdre. Hein.
Montrez ce qu'on a. Mais voilà des preuves.
Mets-le là, non? Tu veux pas?
Non,
Ok, ne le mets pas là. Alors.
Et puis, il y a ceci.
You guys, Mama set the table. Table's all set. And I'm gonna show you guys the food in a bit. Okay, guys, here goes the table. Rice and peas, potato salad, festival, chicken, ham,
Ouais, mais il n'y a pas de lui.
Arkansas fish,
C'est le premier match que j'avais vu.
sorrel
Moi.
without
C'était le match de playoff.
sorrel without.
C'était Boston-Cleveland.
Yes, and the sauce is coming up now.
C'était les premières périodes de James.
Time for the dessert
Il est sur la table, regarde.
Avec de l'eau chaude.
and ice cream.
Je l'ai cherché. Et ça, c'est moi qui l'ai fait.
Et tu donnes ça.
And Mama says she made it. She made it. That's what she just
Ah ben oui,
said.
derrière Ludo, la bouteille de champagne.
Comment ça, vous avez du champomis?
Elle est là-bas.
Champagne.
Du champomis? Du champomis ou du champagne?
Champagne.
You guys, this is the aftermath of my face.
C'est pas ça, c'est que tu perds tous tes cheveux.
15 chiens. Pas des numéros.
Il a fait à quoi?
J'ai trop nettoyé de merde de
Came
chien.
back with the kids gone to bed.
C'est qui avait tous ces chiens?
And now we are going to bed. Well, I'm going to bed. They're not
Avec
ready.
des terres qui
So I'm just coming on to end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new and if you can hear me through the sketch press you and we'll see you guys.
Se développer, c'est pas le terme.
Show your baby this element.
C'est pas moderne entre guillemets. Et c'était un peu le chien, c'est le meilleur moyen de garde. C'est pas un portail qui va effrayer. C'est le chien. Quoi?
Say bye to the face.
Mais Mélina, moi, j'ai jamais compris.
I show you the video element chatting away.
Elle me dit que c'est elle qui a pris
Moi, ce que je ne comprends